係你話買飛係㗎，你今日入嚟玩，你今日用咯。係啊，下次你再買過㗎啦。所以係好嘥錢㗎，所以我點解唔？
Hello, can you hear me out there from back in the projection room? Welcome to Mystic Manor. Phu nhị đại ca lại đâu my late đại gia. Home to a world-class collection of art, antiquities, and my personal residence. I am Lord Henry Mystic. The young fellow at my side is Albert, my traveling companion, confidant, and rather mischievous partner. Yes, Albert, that's you. Now run along. Well, for several years now, Albert and I have traveled the world in search of rare and precious artifacts for you to enjoy as you tour our home in Mystic Manor. These are just a few of our treasures, and here is our latest acquisition, an ancient music box. Legend has it that this charming music box has the power to bring inanimate objects to life with the touch of its enchanting music. Superstition and nonsense. Oh my. Well, we shall see when we open it, shan't we? Who's a little fellow can't keep his hands off that music box? Yes, you like that box, don't you? You will examine it later. Now, shoo. Now, what was I saying? Oh, yes. Welcome, one and all, to Mystic Manor. I better go find the little beggar. He's always up to something. Hello there. Yeah, I was just looking for... Oh, there's the music box I told you about. I must find my little friend. did you? You never know. Legend just might be true.